Hello folks, this is Ted White, and today I'm going to show you how to find out how many subscribers you've lost over a certain period of time. Now, losing subscribers is not always a bad thing. Most of the time, these people might subscribe to your channel, but not actually watch any of your videos, and this actually hurts your channel's chances with the algorithm. Now, with that being said, you do want to make sure that you're creating content of value for a specific audience for your channel to see some success. Let's check it out. All right, folks, so the first thing you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna go up to the address bar here and type in youtube.com, hit enter. All right, and then what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna go to the top right. Now, it may have your channel picture or it might have a letter with a colored background. So you're just gonna wanna click this up here. And then from there, you're just gonna wanna go down to YouTube Studio. So you click on that. From there, we're gonna go to our left, okay? And we're gonna go to this sidebar here and we're gonna select Analytics. And from there, we're gonna have two options to get where we need to be. So the first, you can just go up here to Advanced Mode and click on that on our right here. So click on this. Or the next way to get here is we can just go back and let's just take a look here. You can just go to see more right here and click on that. So let's just click on that and it takes you to advanced mode as well. The next thing we're gonna do is we are going to go to our left here and we're just gonna go to metrics, all right? So what we see here is views, views. Then we have watch time, subscribers, subscribers, all right? Impressions, impressions, impression click-through, impression click-through. See, all these are highlighted and they're the ones that are being displayed over here on the table. And the last one, estimated revenue, okay? So what we want to do is unhighlight the ones that we don't want and keep the ones that we do want, or highlight different ones that we do want. And that's what we're gonna do. So I just unhighlighted estimated revenue and impression click-through rate, unhighlight impressions, and then I'm just gonna unhighlight watch time, unhighlight views, because we don't need that. And then the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go down here and we're gonna want to expand interactions. So I'm just gonna expand that. From there, I'm just gonna look at subscribers lost and I'm gonna check that one. And I'm also gonna check subscribers gained. And then I'm gonna go down here and select apply. So now what this is gonna show us is the first thing you're gonna wanna look at is this right here. So it has the last 28 days, okay? So this is where we can actually change the date, but for now, we'll just leave it and we will change it in a minute. And then what it's gonna show us is this is how many subscribers we've lost, okay? This is how many subscribers we've gained in the past 28 days. And then this is the net. So this is subscribers gained 119 minus 18 subscribers lost will equal 101 subscribers net gain in the last 28 days. So this is how many subscribers I'm left over with in the last 28 days, okay? So what we'll do is we'll just make an example for the last year, all right? So we can go 365 days, okay? Change that. So now all of a sudden it has subscribers lost. So the amount of subscribers I've lost in the past 365 days is 159, all right? And then the subscribers gained is 1,382. So 1,382 minus 59 will equal 1,223 subscribers, all right? So that's what I was left over with in the past 365 days. Now, if you look at it this way, you know, as long as you're creating pretty good content, if your channel is growing, even if you're losing subscribers, then it's not necessarily a bad thing because you are getting rid of the people that do not like your content or just don't want to stick around. And it's nothing against them. It's nothing against you. It's just some content doesn't resonate with some people and you just have to accept that if you're a YouTuber, all right? So the final thing, I'm just gonna show you, so you can go to lifetime, all right? And I'm just gonna click on lifetime. And if you look at this, we're just gonna see this. So overall, I've lost 210 subscribers through the lifetime of my channel. Now, I started my channel in 2011, but didn't start posting until I think 2025 or maybe late 2024. Can't quite remember. And I've gained 2,027, but I lost 210. So overall, it's 1,817. Now that's probably, it's not quite up till today. It's actually up to like yesterday. So if I give it another day, it will probably show 1,819. And that's actually how many that I have currently. But this is up until yesterday's date, okay? So I will show you one more thing. Now, the last thing you can do is you can just go here and then go to custom. All right, so I can just click custom and then you can choose whatever date you want. So let's say 11/19, let's say of 2022, okay? It's gonna come up with this. So 3 years, 81 days selected in that date range. Let's just apply and see how many subscribers I've gained and lost over that time. So I'm just gonna click apply. Now that leaves us with 1,989 subscribers gained and then 191 subscribers lost for a net gain of 1,798 subscribers. Folks, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I wish the best for you and your channel, and I hope you have a great day.